Hey guys, welcome back to Skillers BIM Revit Architecture course. In this video, we'll see how to load, modify and place doors and windows. It's one of the easiest part of building modeling. So let's get started.
Once the walls are ready, the next step is to place the doors and windows. To place doors, go to Architecture tab. We have option for door. Click on it. And in properties, we can see that there are some doors already present here, but if we have to load some more, we have to go to load family. In load family, in the look in drop down, go to libraries. In this library, we can see different types of components are present in different languages and according to the different countries. Okay, so for in India right now we are still using the English and English imperial when we are using the imperial template, and English when we are using the metric template. So click on English. Here we have option for UK, US and India. In India still there are few components that are need to be added, so we will be using UK and US for our modeling. So select any of the folder, click on doors. Here we have external doors. We can choose any of these. We can modify these according to our requirement, or we can model the doors according to our requirement, or the designs that we need. For now I'm just using already present doors. Okay, I want this as my exterior door or my main door, so I'll click on it and click on open. Once it is open, I can see that it is added to my properties, so I can choose any of this. And while loading, what happens is it takes all the different dimension ones, like the height remains the same but the width may change. Okay, all that are loaded, so I can use the doors according to my dimensions which I require. Okay, so right now I want this door and I'm taking and placing it here. Okay, to place, I can just take it and place it on my wall. This cannot be drawn on any other part because these components, they have a host that they can adhere to, that they can be placed on. Other than the host, they won't allow to place them. So for doors and windows, walls act as the host. So I have placed a door here. Next thing is, if I want any modification, okay, like this, I want to flip this door. There are two options. One is I can use the spacebar button, or I can use the flip controls that are given here, that is the arrow marks that we can see here. Okay, either I can click on this, or I can use the spacebar as the flip control. Okay, and I can use the arrow keys to just move right or left. Once the door is placed, this is my main door. Next I want to place some other doors. For example, a single flush door, okay, say of this dimension. I'm taking it and I'm placing it wherever I require. To flip, again what I'm using the spacebar button to flip the dimensions. Okay, so what if I want to change the dimension of this door? I have to click on this door, go to edit type, I have to duplicate it, because whenever we are editing the properties we need to do it in the replica, not the original one. So I'll name it as D2. Okay, this is my D2. Click on OK, and here I have height. I want 2.1 meter, and width I want it to be 1 meter. Click on apply and OK. See, this gets automatically changed to D2. What if I want to change all these three to D2? So select these doors which we want to change it to D2. Go to the drop down. Already D2 has been added here. Click on D2. That's it. The door is placed. Okay, let's see in 3D view how this looks. So this is how my doors are placed. Okay, so next let's see the windows. Again I'll go to plan view. Why plan view or floor plans? Because these are well placed in the the doors and the windows are well placed in the plan view. Next we have to place the windows. To place the windows, go to architecture, there is a window. Same how we did for door, we have to go to windows. We have to see whether we have the desired windows here or we have to load them. Okay, go to edit type, go to load. Here go to English, UK, search for windows. We have windows here. There are different types of windows. Select the windows, open, OK, and we can see they are here. Place it. If we want any other windows, what we can do, go to edit type, go to load, windows, English, US, search for windows. Here we have windows. I like these better than that, so I'll go to this. I'll select this, open, OK, and OK. So I'll just click where I want to place them. Okay, if I have to flip the windows, what I can do, I can just use the space bar, or I can click on the flip controls here. Okay, I'll just delete this window. I'll flip it. I'll place the same window. Go to window and yes, place the windows wherever it is required. So let's see in 3D modeling. So this is how windows are placed. Okay. Let's see in elevation. Let me check the south elevation. I can see that these are below my lintel level. One, if the sill height of all the windows are same, we can use the sill level here, but there can be different sill heights of the windows. So what I can do is I'll just align them to the lintel level. So to align, go to modify, click on align, click on the line reference which becomes the reference line, and move the windows. So this is how we align the windows. Go to align, select the line that has to be as the reference, and click on the component that needs to be aligned. The west view, go to align, click, align them. So this is it. It's as simple as that. So this was about placing windows and doors. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. We also offer full BIM Revit courses. All the details are given in the description. And hey, there's a quiz on this video's topic. Its link is given in the description. Do try it out. See you in the next video.